Hey there, we are going to build a carousel component in React. So without any further delay, let's get started. We have create React tab basic setup ready in VS Code. In SRC, just creating a component carousel.js, and inside it create a functional component, and I already have some URL data in my content.js, just need to import it. Before that, just add buttons and copy and paste arrow images to the buttons. Now we can map on data by importing data from content. So map such that we can place images inside that. We can take URL from the data with the index. So later we can condition that and passing the URL in the source and give a alt as foods. And to render it we have a call from app. So we need to import it. We successfully render our component. Now need to style it. It's a messy form. I use inline styling, add a display attribute. So before display attribute we need to add use state hook. So current index and set current index is equal to use state, initial value will be 0. So this is how we declare a variable. Now we can declare a condition with the help of ternary operator. If current index is equal to I, then display block, otherwise display none. And image width is 50% and aspect ratio is 3:2. Then object fit contain. Also add style to parent div, which is display flex, and justify content center, align item to be center. According to our condition, our image is fine. Now write on click events on button with the help of anonymous functions and set current state, which is previous state, such that previous state minus 1, and copying same line for the next button with add operator. Our carousel are ready, but it has a bug because we are incrementing and decrementing our index by 1. We are not looping it, so we need to loop it. To make a loop, just add a array len to the previous number, then take a modulo of it, so it will give the last element of the array. And same for next button, we need a modulo to the length of array. The loop is working fine, our carousel are fine. Also we are going to add a functionality, it will change after 5 seconds automatically. So using use effect hook, we can pass the current index as a dependency array, so it will re-render on every index change. Inside it we can call set timeout function for 5 seconds means 5000 milliseconds, and passing the same next logic to set timeout. Now see, our functionality are working fine. It will turn next after 5 seconds, but it has a bug. Now see, when I click next, now see, it was so frequent because our set timeout timing are mismatch. So to fix that, we can use a return statement with returning a clear set timeout function. So to pass it, we can add a variable const timer and we can pass to this clear set timeout. So now we can find our functionality are working fine. So this is how we can make a carousel component in React.